Hello everyone, I'm Francesca and my project is on sexual violence and rape within the United States and Ethiopia. I'm first going to discuss the demographics of sexual violence and rape and its history. I'm going to talk about its progression and the overall prevalence and its emotional and social effects on women and why it affects women disproportionately. Then I'm going to talk about its demographics of each country it chose, the United States and Ethiopia. I'm going to discuss the contributing factors for both countries, its prevention towards it, the societal factors, or religious factors, or governmental factors, and where the country ranks as to sexual violence or rape statistics. This next slide is going to discuss the cultural similarities and differences among women in each of the countries. So the socio-cultural factors that make up sexual violence and rape, the cultural factors that contribute and don't contribute, and the impact of cultural beliefs on women's well-being. This slide discusses the ethical considerations and action being taken. So for each country, I'm going to talk about what's being done and the societal and organizational responsibility for women's health. I'm also going to talk about the ethical considerations and constraints that might arise due to this. My final point will just be a summary and conclusions for each country and how it affects women's